Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about the fear of being seen. This has come up a number of times in my membership program of people having this fear of being seen because, for a lot of people when they were younger, they took the risk as a child and they were themselves, and the consequences were unspeakable in some cases. And so even though intellectually people may know it's a different time, deep down emotionally, ideologically they know they're fine. Neurologically, they do not feel fine at all. They do not feel safe at all. They feel properly scared. And then, of course, if you go through one canceling or calling out, then that's really all you need to zip it. So anyways, there's a fear of being seen. There's a fear of putting ourselves out there. And some of that, there's a lot of things that can be about, and just shyness as well. So here's a thought on it. And I shared this in today's call with the Foundation's members. Share it with you here. Because I asked there's one woman in particular who was sharing this and, afraid of being seen. I said, well, could you try this? Close your eyes. And I had everyone do it. So if you close your eyes and just imagine, ask yourself, what is it you want people to see? What is it that the world is blind to? That you kind of want to shake the world and say, wake up. You have to see this. We're so blind to this. And if everyone could just see this thing, this would make the world a better place. What is that thing? And then I had everyone write in the chat, and there were some really beautiful things that were said. And it makes me think of, there's an ebook I wrote called Don't Market Yourself, Market Your Message. If you were to go up on stage and you were to try to, I said, you got a minute, convince us to work with you. Sell us on you. Market yourself to us. This would be painful to watch, frankly, and painful for them to do. It's just painful for everybody. So but if I said, get up on stage and tell us what's an idea you're passionate about, what's something you want people to see, what's the message you most want the world to hear, this would be very interesting to listen to indeed, and it would actually feel much better to share. So don't market yourself, you market your message instead. Don't try to be seen. Don't worry about being seen, but focus on helping people see. It's not that you're in the spotlight that matters. You are the spotlight shining on something in the world that needs to be seen. So this would be my question to you. If you're so concerned about being seen, where all of the attention and concern is on ourselves, what is it you want people to see? For me, I want people to see the marketing feel good. You don't have to choose between marketing that feels terrible but works, or marketing that feels good but doesn't work. You don't have to choose. And of course, there's plenty of other things I'd love to help people in the world see, and you too. But I invite you to close your eyes, take a minute, and just ask yourself, what is it? What is the cultural blind spot? What's the blind spot amongst your people? And then put your attention there. Not being fearful, but careful. Not full of fear, full of care. And care towards what? Towards helping people see this thing towards which they are completely blind to the moment. Don't focus on how will you navigate being in the spotlight. Focus on being the spotlight that shines on the dark areas of this culture. And I think you'll find you feel much better about the whole process, and that people are much happier to hear from you. So anyways, that's my thought for today. Thanks for watching. Thank you everyone who's subscribed to me here on YouTube. Thanks for everyone who's subscribed to my email newsletter, marketingforhippies.com, and those of you following me on Facebook, my occasional post on Instagram as well. It's just good to have you around. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to take a look. And there may be some links below this video, if I remember when I get home, that may be of use in further exploring this. So take care, everyone.